Hello everyone, my name is Abhinav Kumar and in this video I will be demonstrating the functionality of Credit Management app. This is a simple app to transfer the credit between two users. Let's see how this app works. So let's open the app in the emulator that is running in my desktop. So you can see the main activity of the app where all the users are listed. Each user has name, email, address and the credit available to it. We can add new user by clicking on the floating action button. So let's add new user. So here we can specify name, email, address and credit and we can save the new user. So let's do it. So if we'll try to save it right now without entering any other field value, so let's save it. So a message will prompt that name and email are mandatory. So we'll have to enter the email. So we can leave the address and credit field blank. Now let's save it. So you can see that user has been added and address is shown as not specified by user. And by default the credit has been set to 0. So you can also delete the user by simply swiping right or left. So let's delete this user. Now we will start from fresh and we'll enter all the field value. Let's enter email, address, and we'll give the credit as 1000 and we'll save it. So you can see that user has been added here and the credit has been set to 1000. So now we will perform the transaction. To perform transaction, we will have to click on any user. So let's click on the first user. So you can see the details of the user as user ID, name, email, address and credit. To perform the transaction, we can select user. The user list has been here populated and we can specify amount. So right now if we try to click on the transfer button, it will show a message that we have to select a user. Let's select a user. And without entering any amount, let's try to transfer. So again a toast message is prompted saying that please enter amount. So this time we'll actually enter the amount 100 and let's transfer it. So you can see that current credit is 1000 and we are transferring 100 to Ashwani Verma. So let's transfer it. The transfer is completed. You can see 100 has been deducted from the Abhinav Kumar and it's been added to Ashwani Verma. So the transaction that has been performed is recorded in the transaction table and we can see from the menu button show all transactions. So here you can see that it has been recorded and the sender ID is 1, receiver ID is 2 and the credit transfer is 100. The date is also been listed. The ID that is shown here, you can check it out by clicking on the user. So each user has an ID associated with it that is unique and auto generated. So now let's perform another transaction. Let's click on third user. So this time we will transfer credit more than the available. So let's try to do this. So if you try to transfer right now, it will show a message that their credit is insufficient. So we cannot transfer more than the credit that is available to the user. So let's transfer something less, that is 300 to Mega Kumari. So let's transfer it. So the transaction is complete and 300 is deducted from this user and it's been transferred to this user. So you can also see this transaction in the transaction list. Let's see that. Okay, the transaction has been listed. The sender ID is 3 and the receiver ID is 6. Let's verify the ID. So here you can see that user ID is 3 and the receiver ID is 6. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.